Hey, what's up? Today we're going to talk about Traceroute. Traceroute shows you the path packet takes to reach its destination. It can tell you a route's external router and be used to map a network. A normal traceroute lists the routers. General rule, all hosts on the same network must go through the same external router and potentially the same firewall. By performing traceroutes and looking at the last couple of hops, you can map out a network. Take from one computer to another, sometimes through many hops. The command works by sending a series of packets all going to the same destination, with TTL values starting at 1. When the first packet is sent, its TTL expires at the first hop, so the router usually replies with an ICMP destination unreachable or time exceeded message. The traceroute command eventually receives this reply and looks inside its payload for the IP address of the sender, which it assumes is the first hop's router. Traceroute then sends a second packet, this time with a TTL of 2, which expires at the second hop, generating another ICMP reply. Traceroute now knows the second hop's router as well. It keeps sending packets this way, incrementing the TTL by 1 each time and getting replies from each hop until one of the packets finally is delivered to the destination's host. By continually incrementing the TTL, Traceroute can record all the routers in the path and the packets stuck between your machine and some of the machines on the internet.